Yo, what's up? What's cracking, team? Let's see what we can trade today. Let's see what we can get today. Good morning. All right. All right. Let's see what we can get. All right. So Meta, obviously pretty trendy yesterday. Pretty similar to watch list to before. SPY gapping up. Man, SPY is just freaking ripping. Google rip. This might have potential. Nope. Done. Maybe it moved back down. Maybe, but maybe. Maybe. Here we go. Here's a good one. Possibly. Let me look. I actually really like this MU. Look at that, boys and girls. I really like that. We can get a pullback. I really like MU. My audio's not coming through. Parker, my audio's not coming through. Check. Oh yeah, it's not. Check. Yeah, it's not. No. Oh, you can hear me? Okay. We're good then. Yeah, so look for MU on a pullback here. Well, I didn't have MU on my little watch list on Thinkorswim. We do now, though. That's if we get a pullback, of course. I can go ahead and set an OCO for 95. I'll go ahead and set an OCO here. So again, just for full transparency, why, right? Yesterday was pretty kind of, balanced day. We gap up, taking out a significant high, right? Or a strong high, right? Right, taking out highs. Okay, that's telling me that trend is changing on the lower time frame. Okay, I then want to look for, a good risk to reward. Right, so I want to look for 1 to 1.5 on this trade, or about right there, right? $150. Okay, if we get the pullback, and then I'm going to calculate my risk. So it's 91 cents for my stop. Okay, I'm looking at my contracts, right? One contract with 91 cents, if I take a day trade, is going to be about $55 a contract. Okay, if I want to lose $550, I would do 10 contracts. Okay, I want to lose about $400, so I do 8. Okay, and then I would do mark at or below my entry of 100.5. Okay, we'll see if we can get filled. I showed the 100.6. Okay, so now all I need to do, I need price to pull back to 100.6 and then go to my profit. So 100.6 is my entry. Hey, you're good, Parker. So that's what I want to see happen. Okay. So now I literally don't even have to look at MU again until I'm done trading today. Like, it's amazing. Tesla ended up working there. I never take these though. I hardly ever take these. Like when they kind of just go from line to line without any really market shift. Like, I don't really take those. I find them hard to take. To have the conviction there. Apple is just ripping. Shop. Ripping. Bro, how about some crypto end up in here, man? Freaking ripping like crazy. Yeah, AMD I have on that watch list there. The thing I'm having a hard time with AMD is I don't really want to put my stop here. So if we can have a nice healthy pullback and then start to head down, I really like my chances, but we'll see. It might just go without us, you know. I don't want to put my stop at 142.80. It's CEO of getting liquidity swept there. Close to getting filled here. Let's see if we can. Really hope it doesn't come close or not, but yeah, I don't like my risk reward there. There we go. Okay, we should get tiny bit lower. We should get filled. We'll see. We just need one tiny little push lower. There we go. Should. Yeah, all right, cool. In Micron there. See what happens. All right. All right, boss. Yeah, hey, 12 doors. I think the best way to do that would just be to go back and watch all my videos. I think it would take just as much time. I honestly can't recall like what I freaking had for breakfast yesterday. So I couldn't tell you what I traded 3 days ago, you know. All these examples. More than happy to, but I think the best way to do it would be look at my videos, and you should be able to get some info there. Okay, set my target 101.90, and then hey, you bet. Not trying to be an a-hole. Just telling you how my brain works. 99.6. That's my stop. All right. Let's see what we can do here, boys. Was the rest of the market kind of getting a little red, right? I don't know. Maybe we're not. So I think that was the trade to take. It's still good entry anywhere here. Anywhere here is a good entry. So we have a big demand zone down in here, right? So it's also going to be considered a strong low, right? So I think it has a good chance of holding. I think this has a really good chance of working out. But we'll see. I have a cut on my knuckle and it hurts. Yeah, I'm not really seeing anything else. Unfortunately, not really seeing much else. Just need to watch this. We can just sit and watch this. I'm doing some long-term buys. Not by my foolish days, so leave me on. Leave me on. I bought just my dividend port. So bought some more Hershey because I was down on it. Bought some Target, and then I'm looking at buying one more. I want to buy more Meta, but I'm literally up 30% on my share that I don't want to average down. So I'm waiting for like a pullback on it. Maybe Coca-Cola. Yeah, let's do Coca-Cola. With 20. Just doing fractional buys. All right. All right, baby, let's go. Stop with the tomfoolery and let's go. I know. Literally no stress at all. It's just like, whatever. That's how like I am with crypto. Some people are like crazy stressed about crypto. I'm just like, bro, chill. Chill. Just so you can buy and hold. More than likely, with most cryptos, you're going to be right. Here we go. It's starting to go. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I entered at 100.6 at like 8:43, maybe 8:42 Central. Don't jinx it now, Tanner. Blow it up. I woke up with like literally the worst headache of all time today. Anything else shaping up? Okay, I'm done buying long term here. Not about my foolishness, so lead me on. Lead me on. Mara trending might be a play. There's a pullback. What are your thoughts? Let's look at it. Hey. Well, it would have been perfect for freaking TLM. Nah, you probably wouldn't have got to pull that. Let's look. Okay. Yeah. So let's just like zoom out, right? So we're starting in this uptrend, right? Boom, 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 boom. More than likely, good probability that we continue to make a new high, right? So let's look at that. So let's look if we bounce off supply demand or form supply demand. Okay. I would say this stop on a 15 on a 5 and move higher. What the? This is a good indication that there's a lot of buyers here, right? So I don't need a pullback if I'm targeting, up here. Okay. If I want to lower this down even more to make it like a nice day trade, and not even have to worry about holding anything overnight, right? Yes, I would absolutely want to look for a retracement. Sorry, let me take this off. Look for a retracement around in there. Okay. Put my stop below this low that was formed today. And I can target either the same high or that next high at 26.43. Absolutely. That would be perfect. Yes, Alec, I am in Target long term. Don't love the company, but man, does everyone shop there. But so yes, I am on it. No, that's how I'm looking at Ashton. Sorry, Ashton. So yeah, absolutely could trade that. Tanner, you jinxed it. Just gotta keep watching. Correct me if I'm wrong, though. On TradingView, the only benefit to having premium versus like the essential plan is you can have more indicators on your chart and more price alerts. Is that right? Is there any other benefit? Oh, here we go. I found it. Yeah, right. That's. But you have to pay for that separately, right, Jim Joe? Regardless of what plan you have. So I typically always get the cheapest plan, but because I don't use indicators. Like the only thing that would help me would be the price alerts. That would be nice. with the Pro. Okay, that's nice. That's a nice feature. Oh, I see 20K historical bars. Yeah, that's what I've done like forever. I think before I met Jordan, I bought the premium because I had like 7,000 freaking indicators. Yeah, that makes sense, Rick. I don't need TPO though because I got TLM here. Alerts that don't expire. I mean, at the end of the day, it's still a tax write-off regardless of what I buy. Yeah, I like it better too. I think it's a little bit more accurate. It's a little more accurate. It's essentially the same. It's similar concept, but a little bit more accurate. I wish I could do a custom plan because the only thing I want is more price alerts and more historical bars. I guess that'd be nice, but yeah, the most annoying thing is when your price alert expires. Like I have price alerts on my long-term stuff and then they expire. I guess I could probably set those on Thinkorswim though, huh? Well, Kevin, you're freaking loaded, right? Yeah, I always do the essential. What's the dude? They have a plan called the ultimate. What's the ultimate? It's not even on here. Oh, maybe that's for only professional. Oh, you have to be professional. Holy crap. 50 indicators per chart. That's the financial advisor. PLTR to the downside. Yeah, we were looking at this. I don't like how trendy this was, and we haven't really pulled back. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, this is a strong low right there. So doesn't mean it won't. Right. But yeah, it's hard for me to short that. Oh, ayo. Yeah, but what sucks about that is still it made a higher high. It made a higher high. So it technically like broke structure here. So it didn't make the exact move I looked for. I wanted it to go like boom, 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 boom. And I was gonna take it. Because now, what if we just do this? Right? Like it's like in between. You don't know what's gonna happen here. Probably has a good chance to go down, but all right, just tell me which one to get: premium, plus, or essential. Well, actually, getting the plus is idiotic because premium and plus are the same price. So I would not add to the position. Okay. I think you're fine to get a starter position or just enter normal. Do not add to this. Enter with your position size. Okay. With your estimate and calculate your loss, right? So if you only want to lose, $50, right? Do one contract. If you want to lose $1,000, do 20 contracts. Okay. Again, I would recommend, because if we do that, you add in here, you get in, and you start to add in, it's more than likely already a loser. You adding in, then you don't honor your stop, and it just keeps going down. You're just going to keep averaging down because stocks always go up, and then you're going to blow your account, right? That's the habits that you built. So I would just look at getting in at one time, and then you can trim at targets. That's my recommendation. All right, I think I'm just gonna do the old essential. Come on, that should be buyers there. That's a huge volume spike. That's probably what we need. Coming into demand, filling the gap. That should give us that rip that we need.
You're saying.
Yeah, no pullback. I figured I didn't think it would provide a pullback. Let's see what happens here, but that should be the buyers there coming in. Like, what is going on? That's a lot. Either that's sellers just freaking wanting to push price on, or that's buyers. Typically at demand, it's buyers. That's a lot. That's a ton of volume. Look at that. That's like, well, that had a ton of volume yesterday, but I think that would be what's called manipulation. We'll see that. Or we got some insider traders in here. Hey, oh, there we go. What if it just had like a freaking God candle? Shoo! All right. If we get back above my entry, we're good. That's a win. If we get back up. Not by my foolishness, leave me alone. Holy crap. United Healthcare CEO is just shot and killed in New York. What the heck? Bro, it's where there it is. It's UNH. Green off rip for him getting shot. Dang, that's crazy. I got a good what's my long term here? Got in like right in here. This is my DCA zone. So I'm like my 486 entry. So I'm up like, let's just say 25% on it. Yeah, sad. I wonder why. They were like, quit jacking up my insurance premium. Dang, he looks pretty young. Crazy. Just never know, man. Bro, right? I mean, you have to remember, the end of the year is like the worst time in the market in terms of trading. It's so slow, low volume. No part time, please, huh? No, it's not always this slow. It is a slower mover, but like you just look at yesterday. Well, day before, it's not super. It's not like Meta fast. Meta's like the Meta and Tesla are like. It's not that fast, but it's not typically watching paint dry. Where? Oh, my TLM went away. Freaking let's go, John. That's exciting. It's going to be a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you. That's awesome. You're going to be an official full-time trader, baby. I got your picture. I'll go with you, dear Maria. Count me in. Oh, and the pen. Dude, that's a great idea. Can you find a can you find a platform in which we can do that? Zoom, maybe? Zoom, we could probably do that. But still only one person can share their screen. Well, you actually can have multiple people share your screen, but you can only look at one at a time. But then that will hurt my YouTube algorithm. I got like 2K subs now. Oh, brother. Should I make a, you know what I hate? Theta. I hate Theta. At my break-even price, I'm down $50 now. Well, we'll just keep watching paint dry. No. If I knew, I would make a lot more money in trading than I do. No. I mean, there are like the fib can kind of tell you estimated. I don't use that way. So, like for example, I would have to add in like just add in. Oh, sorry. Let's add in like boom, 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 boom. Why is it all backwards? Why is it all down? Why is it all down? Okay. Anyways. Right. So. So, for example, you could look at that and you're like, oh, I'm going to target the 2. I'm going to target the 3 or 81.73. I'm going to target 4. Right? You can do that. It doesn't really predict. It's just a possibility, right? I think there is there is some number that is relatively like it's likely to go to. I forgot. I used to trade that way, and I honestly can't remember. I can't remember. All I use now is the 50. I cannot remember. There was one that was like a good target. I cannot remember. I bet there's a YouTube video on it. Full transparency, I bet there's a YouTube video on like, let's just go to YouTube. There we go. So one thing that you should definitely do, anyone that posts a video and their chart looks like this, you should absolutely trust them. Like 100%, they're probably the most legit person of all time. Definitely trust them. Well, let's see what he has to say. I have no audio, by the way. Oh, it's muted. Here we go. This guy. There we go. So you see that? I know you probably couldn't hear it, but I can post it here. That's actually like exactly what I was looking for. That is that's exactly what you want to look at. Let's see what can happen here. We got kind of to break even again, so well, boss and girls, I think I'm going to call it today. I'm just going to let this play out. Stop is still down here. Target's up here. Let's let it play out. I'm going to put an alert like right here. So if you cross that, basically middle line, I'm going to move my stop break even. We are getting about an hour into the market open. So, so the longer we go, the less likely this is going to be a win. So, just again, I want to be careful holding this all day. Outside of that, though, do you guys have anything else? Any questions for me? Thank you, Rick. Thank you for being here. Hey, I guess this is important. So this will be, I believe this will be my last. Yeah, this will be my last live trading of 2024. So next week, Coach Tanner will live trade. I'm going to be out of town. I'm going to be traveling. Same for the 18th. I will be out of town traveling. Then it's Christmas. And then it's January 1st. So the market will also be closed. So the next time you see me will be January 8th. There's going to be a nice break from live trading, actually. Because the next time you'll see me live on YouTube is January 8th. Again, Tanner will be live the 11th, the 18th. We will have no live trading on the 25th and the 1st. We should have live trading in the vault for 24th and 31st instead. But yeah, just letting you guys know that. Again, I appreciate you guys always tapping in. Let's hope this trade works out. And I won't see you guys again. So have a freaking Merry Christmas if you celebrate it. And a Happy New Year. And Happy New Year. All right. Peace, y'all.